What's up? Welcome back to
Sticky Teacher.
Hi there, I have a question for you. Do you want to speak Vietnamese naturally like a native? If the answer is yes, say goodbye to traditional textbooks, because the way native-born Vietnamese people converse in their language is very different from what you learn in textbooks. In this video, I'll prove my point by teaching you 5 words commonly spoken by native Vietnamese speakers, which you won't find in any textbook. So, let's get started. Số 5. Đâu có. As you may already know, in negative sentences, we commonly use the word không to express negation, but it sounds very systematic and boring. Stop using không. Use đâu có instead if you want to speak more naturally. Đâu có means not, no, or there's no. Tao đâu có điên.
I am not crazy.
Tao đâu có tiền.
I have no money.
Trời đâu có mưa.
There's no rain.
Số 4. Nghĩ sao? Nghĩ sao? Starting a sentence with nghĩ sao is a very natural way to convey something silly or thoughtless. How silly, how thoughtless. Nghĩ sao đi ị mà không ngồi xuống?
How silly pooping without sitting down.
Nghĩ sao mày tin thằng đó vậy?
How silly you believe that guy.
Nghĩ sao mày nói như vậy?
How silly you said that.
Số 3. Một cái. This filler is used after an action or an adjective. You use it when you do something or something that happens one time, by chance or quickly. Cho em hôn một cái nha.
Can I kiss you?
Ôm anh một cái đi.
Hug me.
Cứ bệnh một cái là tôi uống thuốc Tây.
Every time I get sick, I take Western medicine.
Số 2. Tự nhiên. So, tự nhiên primarily means natural. However, it also carries another different meaning when used to express something unexpected or sudden. Tự nhiên trời tuyết.
Suddenly it snowed.
Tự nhiên anh ấy nhéo má em.
Unexpectedly, he pinched my cheek.
Tự nhiên buồn ngang.
Suddenly I'm sad.
Số 1. Dậy. Dậy in this video doesn't mean wake up. It's the word added to the end of the sentence or a question to lend a casual and less serious tone. This linguistic feature is used in everyday conversations by 89% of the Vietnamese population. Cái gì vậy?
What's that?
Sao bạn xấu vậy?
How come you are so ugly?
Vô duyên vậy?
How rude.
Sao anh đẹp trai vậy? Em hát hay vậy? Anh đang làm gì vậy? So, if you add vậy at the end of a sentence or a question, you sound 100% like a native. Now let's review. Đâu có. Nghĩ sao? Một cái. Tự nhiên. Vậy. That's all for today. I love to hear your thoughts and feedback on my content, so please feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any upcoming videos. Bye for now.